In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an app with no code using Figma. This process is surprisingly straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be on your way to bringing your app ideas to life without writing a single line of code. Let's dive in. First, open up your web browser and head over to Figma, which is a popular collaborative interface design tool acclaimed for its user-friendly features that make designing a breeze. Once you're on the Figma homepage, you'll see the option to log in. Click this option and input your credentials to access your account. If you don't already have a Figma account, it's really simple to sign up, and you might want to consider doing this beforehand to follow along smoothly. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the home screen of Figma. This is your starting point where you can access all your projects, templates, and teams. Now locate and click on the Design button. This will take you to the Design interface, which is where all the magic happens. Here you'll find an array of tools and options for constructing your app's user interface. Next, you're going to need to take an action within this design environment, and that involves searching for a particular plugin called Codelessly. Figma offers numerous plugins that enhance its functionality, and Codelessly is one such tool that enables you to create apps without needing to understand complex coding languages. In the search bar, type in Codelessly and select it when it appears in the results. Once you've located Codelessly, go on and run the plugin. This action will integrate it into your design workspace, allowing you to start building your app. If you're unused to using plugins in Figma, you'll find that they're incredibly useful for expanding the software's capabilities, so don't shy away from experimenting with other plugins as well to see what fits your design needs best. With Codelessly now active, you're set to begin your app creation journey. This no-code tool simplifies the app development process by providing intuitive drag-and-drop features and customizable templates, enabling you to focus on the functionality and aesthetics of your app rather than the technical details. That's the basic workflow for getting started with creating an app without coding in Figma using Codelessly. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to experiment with different designs and features within Figma to discover what works best for your vision. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you to take the first steps in bringing your app ideas to fruition using the power of no-code tools. Keep designing, and see you next time.